The British nuclear submarine HMS Vanguard has returned to base after a record-breaking 204-day patrol. According to Navy Lookout, the submarine left Peslen in late August 2024 and spent more than half a year underwater. Just weeks before its return, another nuclear-armored submarine departed on patrol. In recent years, the duration of British submarine missions has increased significantly. The last 8 nuclear deterrence patrols all lasted over 5 months. However, HMS Vanguard set a new record, with its crew spending nearly 6.5 months at sea. This approach allows more time for maintenance and crew recovery post-patrol. However, prolonged underwater missions pose risks including technical failures and psychological strain on the crew.